Party? Thank you. Alright, I just landed in Dumaguete Airport, Cebulan Airport. So it's 10:30 in the morning. Good morning. I have my backpack, my bags, and it's my first day traveling Visayas now. My trip will be Dumaguete, Siquijor, and then Mobile Cebu for my last destination. So we just got off the plane, heading to the arrivals area. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Gonna figure out how to commute. So I just arrived in my cottage, and where I'll stay in Dumaguete for 4 nights. I'm hosted by Tita Nea. She's been a long-time family friend, and I hit her up and she made me stay in her cottages. So I'm staying at Kamlan Cottages. So cottage number 6, and mag-isa lang ako dito. Pero she gave me a whole ass cottage, a family cottage for myself, complete with complete with a stove, a full refrigerator, rice cooker, microwave, all that, water, a sink, everything, even a bar nook. I'm so short. We got 2 bedrooms, 1, 2, and yeah. I have this whole place to myself. Look at the 2 bedrooms. Saan ako matutulog? My gosh, dyan na lang ako sa sapa. So it's so big. I'm not used to this. It's usually just hostels, so so thankful. And I didn't have to pay anything. This is from a family friend. I'll see you guys later, and I'm gonna meet with Tita Nea in a bit. Bye. The Japanese American museum shrine. So shrine ito, they made the shrine at the top, the highest peak of a mountain. Sabi nga nila, para makita ang mga paparating na kalaban. Kita mo ang dalawang isla, yung stretch ng Dumaguete, kita mo. So it's used as in World War II. So ayan siya. Malamig dito, parang Baguio. Kita mo naman yung fog, oh. Dapat pa nagdala akong jacket, kuya. after the sulfur rocks, we went to a hot spring. It's called Red Rocks Hot Spring. It's a little hot spring resort just a few drive away from the sulfur rock. And so far the water's nice. It's very warm and hot. It smells a little bit like rusting metal, but it's supposed to smell like that because it's sulfur. So as you can see, it's raining. So we just decided to just swim for a while and let the rain pass. It's fun because the rain is cold and then the hot spring is hot. Win-win. So we finally made it to Pulang Bato Falls, like Kuya Theodore. So after the hot spring resort, just a few meters away is the Pulang Bato Falls. It's called Pulang Bato kasi usually pula yung bato. Galing ko. The water is red. And yeah, nobody's swimming over there because the current is really strong. There's another waterfall over there. Ayun, pwede atang mag-swimming doon. You have to pay an entrance fee of 100 pesos to go here. And it's pretty nice. It's nice. It's a nice waterfall. This waterfall is. Plus, I noticed the rock formation is really interesting. Wonders of nature. So now we're on our way to Casaroro Falls, our last destination for today, no kuya? So there's a little trek going there, pababa. So
335 stairs.
There you go, 335 stairs going down. And if you don't mind stairs, it's a breeze for you. It's fine. So we're currently headed there. It's not really that hard. It's a pavement with steel railings. So you just have to watch your step.
Ano po? Kalamazon.
Kalamazon?
Kalamazon.
Ang dating pangalan?
Yung Kamas, in Bisaya is Gapan. Hindi ka makapunta dito, hindi ka ginabang.
Bakit po may paggapa?
Mahirap talaga. Tingnan mo. Wala pang stairs.
Okay.
Hira lang makapunta dito.
So, after a 40-minute trek through the slippery rocks, we made it to Casaroro Falls, and it's magnificent. Look how tall it is. Wow. And we're the only ones here. We're the only ones here! Tapos kami sa falls, and we are currently at the last flight of stairs. Woo! Yes! Hataw! Ang pinaka nakakapagod dito, yung hagdan ng pataas. Okay lang yung trek, slippery rocks, all that jazz, it's fine. It's worth it because the waterfall is very pretty. But damn, the stairs. Kailangan physically fit ka or like you can handle an infinite amount of flight of stairs. Just my 2 cents. Goodbye.